Anthony Noto just did another really smart move, as he has launched yesterday a new feature allowing members to invest part of every direct deposit into cryptocurrency with zero fees. Therefore, let's have a look at the new feature and a deeper look at Sofi's crypto products and its pros and its cons. First, we will have a closer look at the press release itself and what it means in detail. Then we will check out the first time Sofi's crypto page and what services they offer and what are the pros and the cons are if we compare Sofi, for example, with Coinbase or Binance. Means what services they offer or they don't offer. So let's have a look at the press release itself, which came out yesterday. And there it says, the digital personal finance company today announced members will now be able to invest part of every direct deposit into cryptocurrency with zero fees, as I said prior already. This feature builds on Sofi robust offerings for checking and savings accounts, which already includes no account or overdraft fees, up to 2-day early paycheck, and an industry leading of 1% annual percentage yield. And as the interest rates are rising, I believe this percentage yield could also get higher over the year, which is one advantage of interest rates hiking, folks. Okay, and not all is bad. And members will be able to set a recurring purchase for the cryptocurrency of their choice with each paycheck for no purchase fee, investing either by dollar amount or percentage of the deposit into one of 30 coins. This feature is currently live to all members with both Sofi Invest crypto account and Sofi checking and savings account. So you need, in order to profit from the zero fees, you need to have one of them. And Anthony Noto was saying, crypto investing is rising rapidly in the last year alone, and there he is right. Sofi doubled the number of investors setting up automatic recurring crypto purchases, said Anthony Noto. By adding the ability for members to automate crypto purchases right from their paycheck, we are making it easier than ever for our members to customize how they manage their spending, saving and investing all in one place to help them get their money right. So here Anthony Noto did another really smart move and will drive even more customers now to Sofi, as they really now have a one-stop shop where you can do basically everything, folks. And if you know another company who offers such a variety of services in one app, please let me know in the comments below. But let's move on to the educational center. And now I'm really curious what they are showing us over there. I think it's a pretty good idea to have this one as well, as not everyone has deep knowledge about what is crypto, what is a Bitcoin, what is Ethereum, what is ADA, and so on. And that they have such a nice website to show all the things you want to know about the crypto space. I think it's pretty cool. So basically they say, what is a Bitcoin and how does it work, how to invest in Bitcoin, how is Bitcoin valued, and so on and so on. And if you go down, we see as well the understanding the different types of cryptocurrencies, what are altcoins, what are NFTs, and further down they have as well video lessons, folks. So if you are interested in cryptocurrencies and you have no clue what it is and you always wanted to know, check it out. They are pretty good and I totally recommend before investing in cryptocurrencies, check the things out and inform yourself. What is it? How does it work? What are the risks? And so on. And you can find basically everything here on the website. Pretty awesome. Now that you know where to find some informations, if you want to invest in crypto, let's move on. What cryptocurrencies Sofi actually offer? And here we can see, I will just point out the big ones. Bitcoin they have, Cardano they have, Ethereum they have, then they have Litecoin, Polkadot, and Solana, which are basically the most common ones. So now that we know what cryptos you can buy, let's compare the fees, which are we know by now that Sofi does not charge any fees. Let's check out what the example Coinbase is charging. Okay, and here we can see that mostly we are between 0.60% and 0.40% for the most of us. So definitely, if you are a newbie into the crypto space, Sofi could be a good option. But I said only if you are newbie, and I will explain on later why. Okay, if you're more experienced, then I would not recommend to store your crypto or buy crypto in Sofi. Having said that, let's have a look why you should not buy cryptos at Sofi if you're a little bit more experienced. And therefore, we opened the FAQs. Okay, let's go through the most important here. And I will explain why that is so. First, I would to say, like, how secure is Sofi Invest? So Sofi takes security seriously across all of the brand's products, blah, blah, blah. Sofi Invest uses a number of tools to secure crypto holdings against theft, including two-factor authentication, SSL encryption, partnering with trusted exchanges like Coinbase, okay, to complete transaction, and not sharing personal information about our members with crypto trading partners and custodians. Before you purchase crypto through Sofi Invest, it is important to understand the volatility of its value and therefore its inherent risk. And as well, they're FDIC insured. Okay, so no worries if you buy crypto through Sofi. What my biggest problem is actually with Sofi and cryptocurrency is basically this one here. Can I transfer my crypto holdings between my Sofi Invest account and external wallet? And they say no. But there's a reason why they say we take security seriously at Sofi Invest, and by having a closed system, we can better secure your crypto assets. In the future, we may consider adding the ability to transfer crypto into or out of your Sofi Invest account, but it isn't a planned feature at this time. So why that is a bigger problem for me? You have to understand. If the crypto is not on a cold storage or like on a ledger, for example, it's like a little USB stick, all right? The crypto is not yours. It's stored at Sofi and it's practically not yours. Don't forget that also for other sites. If you cannot download or store basically your crypto outside without internet access, then it's practically not yours. You just purchased it and you stored it, but it's not yours. Okay, and that is a big problem for me. If you are a little bit more advanced investor into the crypto space, that is a huge thing here. Okay, and another important factor why I would not recommend an experienced crypto trader or investor to use Sofi is I can't see any possibility to make basically more money with your cryptocurrencies you have already, like staking or gain interest on it. And that is a pretty no-go for me, because I want to earn interest or I want to stake my cryptocurrency in order to make it more. Simple as that. Okay, I want to let it work, and you want to use the interest of the interest. That is the biggest lever we have in the financial space. All right, so therefore I would not recommend for an experienced crypto investor to use Sofi. And instead, I would say use Binance, for example. I'm using Binance as there you can do basically everything you want. You can trade, you can earn, you can stake, you can download it to your ledger and everything what you want. But that being said, it's a pretty needy move from Anthony Noto to make it basically free to invest in cryptocurrencies. And my personal recommendation, or to finish up the video, is if you are a newbie into the crypto space, use Sofi. There you can do almost nothing wrong. It's so easy to use and almost no risk. And go for it. Diversify your portfolio with a little bit of Bitcoin, and you don't have to worry about it. Just make it an automation each month, a little amount of money, and then see in a couple of years what happened. Maybe you were then a billionaire or something. I hope so, at least in my case. That being said, folks, I think now you have a pretty good overview what Sofi can offer if you invest in crypto via Sofi. What are the advantages and disadvantages? But let me please know in the comments below what you think. Is the service a good one and would you use it, or which one you would use? And that would be quite interesting for me and the community. That being said, if you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up so that other retail investors like you and me have the chance to see this video as well. And if you're on my channel for the first time, I would be happy if you would subscribe, because I regularly produce new videos and tutorials on the topics of stock analysis, investment and financial products to give you the opportunity to take your finance into your own hands. That being said, if you like the content and you want to support my channel with a few bucks so I can produce even more videos, I will pin the link to my Patreon page in the comments below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay focused and don't be greedy. See you next time.